Hello.
Hello, good morning, Mega.
Good morning, Shiv. How are you?
I am great, like always. How are you?
That's amazing. Even you look very cheerful and bright today. What happened? Anything exciting on the work front or on the personal front?
I enjoy every single bit of my life, and yesterday night I have
Okay.
organized my day in form of what I will do in every single hour.
Mm-hmm.
And from
Mm-hmm.
morning, I've been like
Every
completing that. Yeah,
Wow, that's amazing. Every single hour you have set like what you're going to do 10 to 11, 11 to 12 like that.
yeah.
Wow, Shiv. How do you find the motivation to follow up with that? Because I remember when I was in college, I used to do this thing, okay? Like 1 to 2 p.m. I'll study field theory, from 3 to 4 I'll study that, this. But then I would follow it for 2 days, and the third day, no, I would never look back at it. What about you? How do you follow up with it?
If I compare it with those kind of tasks,
Mm-hmm.
in those kind of tasks, I'm not interested in.
Mm-hmm.
But in what I do, it drives me.
Okay. So,
So I have to do a lot of thing in the month, and
mm-hmm.
I need to organize it to finish it
Okay.
fast within the month. That's why yesterday when I had a chat with one of my friend, he
Yeah.
he he told me he follows this for maximum productivity.
Okay. So,
Yeah, and that's when I decided to like invest 10 minutes and prepare the to-do list for today. And
okay.
so far it had gone great.
It has been going great.
It has been going great so far.
Yeah, yes. So that's amazing, fascinating. Okay. Once I had read in one book that it's important to make to-do lists, but it's also important to make something called as to don't list. That's things that you will not do.
Yeah.
So, do you have the habit of doing that as well?
Yeah, yesterday I have read one book. I still didn't finish that book.
Mm-hmm.
It's called Atomic Habits. In that, they mentioned the importance of
Mm-hmm.
to not to do list, just like you said. So
Yeah.
even I am working
Yes,
on
to
that.
don't list. Like, okay, I think that's very interesting. Okay, that concept of to don't list to stop ourselves from doing unproductive things. So I think that is also very effective.
And if you do
Okay,
that, you
then.
will do
So,
more of the productive
mhm.
things.
Absolutely, yeah, that's true. So if you are eliminating all the unwanted things from your schedule, you'll have a lot of time for all the things that you want to do, right?
Yeah,
So yes, that
exactly.
makes sense. Yeah. And Shiv, where were you born and raised?
I was born and raised in Mangalore itself. My
Okay.
parents were from somewhere else, but
Mm-hmm.
from the day I was born, I was
Okay.
born and brought up over here, Mangalore.
Okay. Very scenic, right? Very scenic, like a small town, friendly people. So it's nice to go there. Yeah. And when you were a kid, did you learn how to swim, how to ride a bicycle, or did you learn it later in life?
I learned it during my childhood days itself.
Mhm.
Uh, so I think 7 to 8 standard was the time when I learned to ride a cycle,
Okay.
because there was some kind of trend that during my school days,
Uh-huh.
whoever knows to ride the cycle can
Mhm.
come in the cycle like a hero. That time, cycle was
Oh,
the bike.
okay. That was the most trending thing, is it?
Yeah, like whoever has cycle, it's similar to today we are bringing a bike to our college.
Wow. So that had a different swag then.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to learn it,
Mhm.
and I learned it, and then I started going to school in my cycle.
Oh, that's cool. So did you get all the attention that you desired for?
Not that way, like in
Okay.
movies, it shows in a different manner, but yeah,
Yeah.
I got some kind of attention that I was seeking for.
Okay.
And regarding that swimming, I learned it in Puttur. There is a one. I went to classes, and in 30 days, I learned swimming.
Wow. No, my dad used to tell me that they learned swimming in a lake, not in a swimming pool. In
Mhm.
temples, there are ponds and all, na? They used to learn there. Where did you learn?
I learned in it's a like paid sessions of 30 days. My
Okay.
dad and mom are like both of them are working,
Yeah. Okay. That's cool.
and that's why it bit hard for them to make time for me to teach me and
Yeah.
spend so many hours. And that's why
Yeah.
I learned in Puttur.
Okay, that's cool. Even my parents, they don't know swimming. Okay, so I also learned swimming in a class long ago when I was in class 7 or class 6. That time. Now I don't remember most of it because I lost practice. Okay.
But if someone throws you in a swimming pool, you will,
Mhm.
because it's
Yeah.
a skill which you never forget.
Yes. Yes. So I have tried it. That finesse, if I say that finesse of the tricks and all are there. No, that I have forgotten, but I can manage to stay afloat.
Yeah.
So like that. Okay. And one thing, whenever we're talking of the past, right, it'll be those who knew how to ride a bicycle because it's the past. Okay.
Those.
Those who knew. Okay. The past tense of knew. That's all. And when you were a child, were you an extrovert? Did you find it easy to make friends or were you a shy kid?
I was introvert from my childhood days, and
Okay.
I only had one friend with whom I explored entire Bantwal. I used to climb
Wow.
on walls. I used to do all the mischief. I used to
Ah,
steal mangoes.
mhm.
I did all those stuff. And today, when I look back, those are some of my greatest moments of my life.
Wow. Golden memories, right?
Yeah, those.
So I
Mm.
can safely say that you were a mischievous introvert.
Yeah, that's a nice title.
Yeah. And how were your parents? Were they very protective of you as a kid? Like they used to monitor, okay, they used to worry constantly about your safety, or did they let you free?
They were worried about my safety, but they
Mm-hmm.
couldn't do anything about it because
Mm-hmm.
I was uncontrollable. I used to like I used to come at
Mm-hmm.
night and go
Mm-hmm.
morning.
You used to come during the night and leave home in the morning.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and I guess that time we didn't have mobile phones and all, right?
That's the thing. Otherwise,
Okay.
today's students they won't do that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, what would your mom tell you if you ever came home very late in the evening?
First thing is I don't remember what they used to tell, but
Mm-hmm.
they used to scold me. But I
Uh-huh.
didn't used to care about that because I
Okay.
enjoyed going playing games
Mm-hmm.
and getting chased by dogs and many other things.
Oh my God, you enjoyed that.
Yeah, I enjoyed, but it's risky, of course. But yeah,
Of course
I
it is.
enjoyed.
Okay, I mean, chased by pet dogs, is it? If you ever
No, no,
entered
it's
anyone's compound,
I don't think. Yeah, yeah, it's pet dog. Yeah, it's their
pet
pet
dog.
dog. Yeah, for me, it's
Okay. Even till this date, I am petrified of dogs, okay? I'm petrified of them. The
no.
dog doesn't have to.
Even I am afraid of them. But
Uh-huh.
whichever dog I can pet, I love them.
Oh, that's nice. You mean you give biscuits and all to these stray dogs if you
Yeah,
ever
yeah,
have
I love
something
it.
to give?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I love
Okay.
cats. Cat come first and then dog for me.
Same pinch. I am a cat lover. I absolutely adore them. In my grandmother's house, we are in Udupi. Okay. So in my grand.
Yesterday I went to Udupi.
Oh wow. What can I ask you? How is the weather there? Is it raining?
It's not raining. It was a like great journey. We went by car
Oh, okay.
and
Road trip.
yeah, and I am not sure you are aware of this. There is a place called as Cream Bowl.
No, no, no. I'm not aware.
There they offer a like drink. It's called as caramel toffee.
Okay.
It's the best thing I have drunk in
Mm-hmm.
Udupi.
Wow, that's so amazing. Is it a new place that has cropped up, or has it
No,
been there?
it's a old place, but only few people know about it, I guess.
Okay, the name is Cream Bowl, is it?
Cream Bowl, Udupi.
Okay, okay. I'm planning to go to Malpe next month, so I think I can visit Udupi
Give it
en
a
route
shot.
and
Yeah.
give it a shot. Yeah, I can do that. Cream Bowl. Okay, I'll remember the name. And uh, did you in class? Were you the studious kind of a kid, or did you not focus that much in academics, but you were good in extracurriculars?
I was good in extracurricular, but I think I was not given enough opportunities during my school days.
Okay.
and I was a last bencher because of my height, and I
Uh-huh.
used to blame that because all my great friends were used to sit in the first bench.
Oh, okay, okay.
Even my crush used to sit in the first bench. That's it.
So much
So
distance.
yeah, so much like inconvenience, and yeah,
Mm-hmm.
from my PU days,
Mm-hmm.
everything changed, and
Okay.
that's when I started discovering
Mm-hmm.
opportunities and everything.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Like even when we are kids, right, we have so many different dreams. Like when I was a kid, one day I wanted to be a hairstylist, the other day I wanted to be an astronaut. So it used to change. Okay. What about you? Did you have any fixed goal or was it the same case for you
when i
also?
when I used to like be in school, I wanted to
Mhm.
be a game creator.
Okay.
Actually, I used to like to play games, not to create them, because creating is
Okay.
a whole different thing. But
Yeah.
I realized it as I grew up,
Hmm.
and yeah, even I wanted every day, I wanted to be a game creator, I wanted to be a doctor, I wanted to
Okay.
not lawyer.
Not lawyer.
Not lawyer, because
Okay.
yeah, I
Cool.
wanted to become CID because I used to watch the TV shows of CID.
TV show.
Daya,
Ah,
Abhijit,
yes.
and yeah.
Yes. What was his name? Pradyuman.
ACP
Uh,
Pradyumnan.
ACP Pradyuman. Exactly.
कुछ
That was
तो
like a
गड़बड़ है.
staple. Daya kuch to gadbad hai, that one. It is still a trend, you know that people still
Yeah,
make
if
memes on
someone
that.
if Daya hits someone, like slaps
Mhm,
someone, they are
mhm.
directly shifted to his office.
Yes, yes, I
That
remember.
was a
So many.
massive meme.
Yeah, it's like teleporting people. Just one slap and you'll go to the CID headquarters.
And
Oh
luckily,
God.
when they used to go
Mhm,
outside the country, at least they are
mhm.
not teleported to India. I am grateful for them for doing that.
Okay, that's a nice observation. Okay. And did you love watching a lot of TV when you were a kid? Because I was guilty of that. I loved watching TV, all the cartoons, or were you not that interested?
When I look back, I am not
Mm-hmm.
guilty of anything. But when I used to do that, I was guilty of those things.
Mm-hmm.
Like I feel that I could have like gone
Mm-hmm.
outside more, enjoyed more with friends,
Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
could done something else. But today, when I see those days, I can see how far I have come from
Yes.
that place.
Yes. Yes.
So today I don't watch TV at all.
Oh,
Yeah, like everything is available on mobile, laptop, and
yeah.
internet.
True. True. Yes. So
So
TV
whatever
is.
is required, I watch.
Mhm.
Yeah,
That's good.
TV. Yeah,
It has literally become an idiot box these days. There's no good content available, right? International stuff, okay, a few of them are good, watchable, but I think Indian television, the quality has gone for a toss. That's for sure. And
yeah, very true.
summer holidays, which places would you go to?
I was not a traveler kind of guy, but
Mhm.
in summer holidays, I used to uh, enroll in various
Mhm.
upskilling
Summer
sessions,
camps.
like yeah, summer camps,
Yeah.
like chess practice and those kind of
Oh.
things were conducted during summer holidays.
Yes, yes. Even in Mysore also, okay. As soon as the summer holidays began, there would be so many people conducting these summer camps, and thousands of children would literally throng to them. I have never enrolled myself into any of it. Like my parents never enrolled, but I always thought it was fascinating because they let you meet different kids. They make you play different games, and yeah, it's interesting. And what did you love to eat when you were a kid?
When I was a kid, I used to
Mhm.
love to eat anything. Well,
Anything.
yeah, anything. I used to consume lot of junk food,
Okay.
sweets, and there was a new store opened outside my home
Mhm.
recently. Not recently,
Okay.
I think
Mhm.
6 years have passed.
Okay.
So I used to go there daily and
Mhm.
order something,
Mhm.
and my parents used to go there and tell them
Okay. What?
not to give me anything.
Okay. So you had made friends with the shopkeeper, is it?
Yeah, I have made deal with shopkeeper,
Mhm.
not to tell my parents, and I used
Mhm.
to buy a lot of things daily.
Okay.
I used
All
to be a
chocolates.
fat kid. Yeah, I used to
Mhm.
like I literally transformed from 90 kgs to 75 right now.
Wow, that's so impressive. So who was your fitness inspiration?
Bruce Lee, I can say. I
Oh,
I, I was fascinated towards martial arts, and
mhm.
then I joined martial arts. I started working on my diet,
Okay.
and then
Mhm.
yeah, then I become a better person.
Then I became a better person.
Then I became a better person. Yeah.
Yes, perfect. And you remember when we were kids, our parents used to tell us some bizarre things like if you eat a seed, a plant will grow inside you or a tree will grow inside you. So, what were some of the bizarre things that you heard when you were a kid, but now you know they are not true?
There were many things, but I don't
Okay.
remember most of them.
Okay. No problem. Did they ever tell you anything about ghosts or something
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that?
They told me about the ghost, and if
Mhm.
you go outside during the night, the ghost will catch you. And they also told me I used to eat mango and throw it in the well.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So they told me
Mhm,
if you throw the like mango, it's called
mhm.
as katto in Konkani.
It's the mango pit. You can call it the
Okay.
mango pit.
When
Huh.
I threw it in the well,
Well. Mm-hmm.
my parents used to tell me that there is a crocodile inside the well, and when
Mm-hmm.
you throw it, there will be some kind of rope kind of formation, and
Okay.
the crocodile will climb up and catch you,
Oh my God.
which makes
So
no sense
creative.
when I today.
Yeah. Your parents were really creative, okay? Creative bunch. Like saved the well.
No, I
Awesome.
used to believe that. I still still think, why did I believe that?
Come on, we were kids, right? We will believe anything that people tell us, especially strange things like this, na? Scary things, thrilling stuff. We would have definitely believed all of this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great talking to you today again. Good to see you. And I think your pronunciation has also become much, much, much better. Earlier, it used to be a little heavy. Your pronunciation words were crystal clear, but the accent used to be slightly on the heavier end. But now it's becoming smoother, more refined. I have seen that
Yeah,
improvement.
I
So
am
good job.
working on pronunciation right now.
Yeah. So when you're talking a sentence, right, it sounds very refined. So good job. Only thing is, I want you to focus on the usage of had. Okay, whenever you're using have or has in the past tense, it will become had. Sometimes you don't use that had; you use the present form of it. So I just want you to work on that. Apart from that, I think you were great. I had a lovely time interacting with you today as well.
I have another session with you. I
Yes,
think.
yes.
Yeah,
10:40.
yeah, 10:40.
Okay, okay. I look forward to that. Okay.
Yeah, awesome.
Okay. See you. Bye bye. Take care.
See you. Bye bye.